Go.
Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Mary Grace L. Cortado, representing Denmark. Denmark is a Scandinavian country in Northern Europe and the senior member of the Denmark. Denmark has long controlled the approach to the Baltic Sea. As over water, this can only take place via one of the three channels that are also known as Danish Strait. The red with white cross that extends the edge of the flag. The vertical part of the cross is shifted to the host side. The banner is referred to the Dingbrod Danish flag. This is one of the oldest national flags in the world. Tradition as of the origin of the flag design varies, but the best known is the legend that the banner fell from the sky. During the early 30th century, battle fought of the Danish king before it ever touched the earth. This heavenly talisman inspired the royal army to victory. Denmark is the smallest country in Scandinavia. It is the southernmost of the Nordic countries, southwest of Sweden and south of Norway. It is the border to the south of Germany. Denmark border both the Baltic Sea and the North Sea. This is the archipelago and Trollmere, 80 kilometers northeast Bornholm. The distance from east to west, 452 kilometers, 281 miles from the North Sea, 368 kilometers, 229 miles. Its total area, 43,908.31 kilometers square. Denmark is divided into 5 regions, a total of 98 municipalities. Denmark population as of January 1, 2008 was 5,471,781. But as of today, its total population is 5,519,414. Denmark is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system of government. Denmark has a state-level government and local government. Denmark has state-level government. The defeat for Germany, Versailles, power offered return, then the German region, Schleswig-Holstein, the Denmark, fearing German, irredentism. Denmark
yung video ko eh.
To consider the return of the area.
Alam mo ng bata rito.
And existed a place beside concerning to the return of Schleswig. Northern Schleswig was recovered by Denmark, Caribbean adding 163,600. European Union since 1973, although it has not joined Eurozone. The national language, Danish, is close to Swedish and Norwegian, with which they share strong cultures, historical ties. 82.0% inhabitants of Denmark and 90.3% of ethnic Danes are members of Lutheran State Church. The first known Danish literature, the mystical stories from the 10th to 11th century, Saxo Grammaticus, normally considered the first Danish writer, work for Bishop Absalon, a chronicle Danish history, very little known to other Danish literature in the Middle Ages. With the age Enlightenment came Ludwig Herberg, whose comedic plays is still being performed. Denmark mixed economy features efficient market. Above average Denmark ranks 10th world literature. GDP, PPP per capita the rank 50th in capital, according to the World Bank Group. Denmark has most flexible labor market in Europe. The policy is called flexicurity. It is the highest fire to find a job. Denmark has labor force about 2.2 million. Denmark